So I have a workshop coming up in 2 weeks' time, and I'm getting a bit nervous because I have to prepare it. And I ran a workshop recently where it was about herbs for depression. It was a really good workshop, well attended, some good feedback, but I kind of really learned a few things and about myself as well, when it comes to teaching and workshopping, and about my view in life is I'm quite a deep thinker. I like people to think deeply about issues like health, but sometimes that doesn't necessarily connect with people. You know, it's my way of trying to connect people with the stronger forces of why I become a herbalist, which are socio-political, economic, emotional, spiritual as well. But it's not just being a herbalist because I like herbs. I do like herbs, and I realize herbs have powerful health benefits, and I really am passionate about people moving towards natural healing, which is also about acupuncture, massage, psychotherapy, talk therapies, play therapy, creative therapy, anything that is natural, a natural way to connect with your spirit, your soul, because we are spiritual human beings, we have souls, we are consciousness connected with a bigger picture. And it's not just the reductionist model, which modern medicine does, reduces every problem down to some sort of biological disease or genetic disease, fixed only by medication, of which causes other side effects, and never deals with the root cause, and so forth and so forth. It's the quick fix, the pill for every ill model. That herbal medicine is not like that. It's a sustainable model of medicine. It is deeply embedded in nature. It's about saving plants, it's about saving environments, it's about living in harmony, it's about living in harmony within yourself, it's all your organs living in harmony. And if symptoms break out in one organ, then that's a sign that the whole body is out of harmony. You want to bring it back into harmony. There's a summary herbal medicine, and now I'm going to tell you a little bit about my workshop, because what I'm trying to do in this workshop is be a lot more practical. Probably won't have a presentation, PowerPoint, all that, give you the background, the science and the connections. I won't give you that. I'm working off a PDF, and I'll send people a PDF afterwards. So everything I cover in the workshop is herbs for stress and anxiety. And those herbs are very much connected. They work on the nervous system, calming, sedating, hypnotic, antispasmodic. So we really work with herbs that calm and induce a sense of peace, a sense of easing your symptoms. We have white willow bark here, for example, contains salicin, which is very like aspirin, and it's a great natural painkiller. So we need natural sources to deal with headaches and muscle pain and fibromyalgia, nerve pain. So I'll be talking about that and how we can combine that with milk thistle, because a lot of milk thistle is great for the liver. Now, I don't normally use milk thistle leaf. I normally get it as a tincture, but this is great because you can add it into a tea. You can make a formula. I'll show you how to make a blend of teas, not a formula. Formulas are for tinctures, but a blend of teas combining milk thistle with willow bark. And what else will we put in there? We might put in some hops. Hops being another great anti-anxiety, calming, beautiful herb, and great little blend of teas. And what you want to get with a tea is taste, and you can always add a little bit of licorice root, nice taste, citrus peel, give you a nice taste. You can always add a bit of honey to your tea when you make it, and so forth. I'll be looking at some creams you can use, looking at aromatherapy, looking at tinctures, and it'll be all practical. I'm going to be set up in the kitchen. I'm going to go through how to make a tea fusion, how to make a blend, how to make a formula, how to add some tinctures together to actually a daily tonic for stress, maybe how to add something to a smoothie. For example, ashwagandha you can add to a smoothie. It's an adaptogen. Very important after periods of stress that you use adaptogens to help the body readjust and recover and find that homeostasis again. So you can add powders, anything you get in capsule form. You can open the capsules into a smoothie and blend it in and have a nice power boosted anti-anxiety or anti-stress smoothie. If we don't deal with stress, we get anxious. Anxiety increases our stress. It's a cycle. Stress is the biggest risk to our health, because we're all living with stress, which is normal. We need stress to get up in the morning and to do things. But high levels of stress are causing us to have increased risk of heart disease, increased risk of depression, future nerve degenerative disorders like the Alzheimer's, what's the other one? Parkinson's and so forth, multiple sclerosis, all as a result of long-term stress on the nervous system. So if you want to future-proof your health, if you want to increase your vitality, you need to deal with stress. And one of the best ways to deal with stress is through natural healing, and herbs is one of those ways. You can also do massage, you can have talk therapy, as I said earlier, aromatherapy, acupuncture, meditation, grounding, Reiki. There's so many things, Tai Chi, so many things you can do to live a more peaceful, balanced life, and using these things in harmony with other things that you do. So I'm looking forward to this workshop. It's on Saturday, it's 11 o'clock Irish time, which I hope suits anyone in the States, Australia, Canada, India, wherever you're tuning in from the world. That the link is for this workshop is in the description below. It's €20, which is not a huge amount of investment in yourself, because you're going to leave this workshop with a few little formulas, a few little ideas that you're building on the knowledge that you already have, and engage with me for 2 hours to inspire you, to encourage you, to motivate you. And the bigger aim of these workshops is to validate my ideas for a signature herbal medicine course that I'm developing on. I'm developing a signature course, which is going to be my big course for herbal medicine for mental health. And I'm trying to figure out what's responding well, and this is what I'm learning. So I'm getting feedback from the workshops, I'm getting feedback from this workshop, but I know I'm moving towards a more practical approach, showing, demonstrating, giving you the insights that I use when I'm approaching stress and anxiety, and giving you some tips and tricks to help you improve your skills, your knowledge, and so forth. So that's it really. Then I will, from the series of mini workshops, I'll have more ideas, more sense of what you need, and that's it's what you need. What I need, it's what you need, and what you seem to be wanting to need is both practical remedies and how to, and show me, and also then the insights, the science, the philosophy, the theory behind a herbal medicine approach to better mental health. And that's it really. So what more do I want to say in this video? Only thank you for watching it so far. Give it an old thumbs up. Most important call to action in this video is click on the link to the workshop, and if you're not interested yourself, maybe send it on to somebody else, share it with all your friends. This is going to be an important workshop. We're all going through the pandemic around the world together. We're all experiencing stress at a certain level, and we all need to think differently and learn something very deep from this experience, that in order to build a better world, a world of more solidarity, a world of more sustainability, we need to support each other. So I hope you find this video useful. I hope you find the workshop useful. Let me know in the comments below any of your thoughts, and I promise I'm going to respond to comments today. I have a few to catch up from the last video, and I'm going to make a series of videos over the next 2 weeks promoting this workshop. I really want to get a good group of people involved, because the more students involved, the more I'm going to learn, and that's the purpose of these short workshops, again, to feed into my bigger workshop. That's it. Namaste to you, wishing you well, wishing you it's a beautiful day here in Dublin. I'll try and add a few shots to the video. Over and out. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.